The following clips have been approved for Seashells only by AndImShelby. Please be warned that you will witness a lot of scabbiness, loud laughter, gimmicks and God knows what else. Sit back, relax and enjoy this production. Oh, and get a snack while you're at it. Okay, bye.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. Welcome back to no girl can't see me a cause problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shen on them. No girl can't see me a cause problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shen on them.
Well, good morning. Apparently, I have a date today, so I don't know where we're going. I don't know what to wear. I don't know anything. And I don't like my hair. I'm gonna insert the clip from last night. If y'all know, y'all know. When you see that dress here, I wanna know what time it is. You see, this, I tried with it. I tried to like it. Maybe it's because my edges aren't fully, but I don't know. The black hair, I mean, is not working, and it's not ever going to work unless I relax it. And I don't want to relax it, so I'm gonna bleach it again. So I'm going to change into that frock, and I'm gonna head to the bathroom, and I'm gonna bleach my hair. So have one last look at this black hair, because today it is going back blonde. So on second thought, I'm gonna leave it alone. I realized I ran out of my volume 40, and I had the activator from when I was trying to relax my hair, and I mixed that with the bleach. I had that on my head for not even 2 minutes, and I said to myself, this is a bad idea. Like, I literally just recover from all of the madness from losing my hair. I feel like it softened it up a little bit, maybe a little bit, or maybe I'm delusional, but maybe allow it at least until I get back some developer. So yeah, what a fail. Yeah, not really feeling my hair, so I feel like I want to put on just a little bit of makeup. You know, I'm going for that no makeup look. I don't know, something to just make me feel a little more girly, because as I said, I feel like a little boy. And maybe it's because my lashes aren't done. I'm doing my lashes tomorrow though, thank God. It's about time. So I'm gonna get ready and let this camera charge, and I'll come back when I'm done. I am ready. As you can see, I didn't get to show you guys the outfit because, you know, oh no. Apparently we're in Portmore.
And the boy just kidnapped me.
I have an idea where we're going. You still don't tell me. I have an idea, but I still don't know. But you know, I'm just gonna sit back and relax. As long as I get some food, you know, I'm good. I am good. So yeah, when we get there, I'll show y'all the fit and the situation, or the lituation. I want the floor. I'm doing my lashes today. I'm good, because I've been looking like a little boy lately. My face is so dry. So we're out in AC Hotel, and there's a storm outside, and it's kind of windy. Oh my god, tsunami! Whoa! Hey, the favorite Bug's Life. You know?
Yeah.
Bug's Life. Bad bitch.
Do you guys like my hair?
Very cute. Very good, very nice. Ooh, it's cute. Anyways, bye. Give me pesos. Extendo. Hair bitches like I'm prego. Good morning. Your girl has a shoot today for like an ad. I didn't even get to show you guys the outside because I'm just a rush for coming because I'm late. Should have been here from like 9:30 and it is now it's now 10:15. Okay, so I'm at the door. What's the code? Oh. Hello.
No, my baby's like red stuff.
No, she likes dragon.
She likes dragon. No. Big man. Alright, no, do one more of that and then a little closer. You really like dragon?
I do actually. Yeah.
Big man, no face.
Never said all that. So I actually had 2 outfits picked, but they like this dress. They like this dress, so we're gonna put the dress on. Okay, we're gonna put the dress on. Where can I put you guys? I have a Jamaica pendant, so I'm gonna put it on it. Put this on my head. God, please make it look great. Yeah, look. I want something else to do, so. So I'm supposed to be on this bed like this with my legs all like that, but oh, madam look dusty. Like, what's going on? My foot bottom look dusty. Suppose I still have on the camera. Suppose I still look dust on my foot bottom.
No, I'm not see. Look before.
Oh, thank God.
So that's how
Oh.
You actually talk.
Just wrapped up my scene in here. I couldn't even record it because I realized I only have a minute and something left to record because I don't have my other memory card. Like, I don't want to spot. Yeah.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other partner, you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me a therapist to tell me there's nothing that I do. One night, not just one show. If I can't have you, no one should.
That is that. That's a wrap. This is where we're at. It is so nice, very bougie and luxurious, and yeah, that's it. I am hungry. I mean, from morning, wanna kill myself, and I have something to do today. And I need to go home and charge this camera and get my other SD card. It's already 1:30, and I need to be at that place by 4. So I'm not even know. Oh boy, depressed. Anyways, I have probably 20 seconds left on this, so yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get home. See you. Good afternoon. afternoon. First of all, this camera battery is dying, so I'm just gonna make it real quick. I'm trying to find an outfit for Republic Beach. So I have this. I'm gonna pop up a picture of it, but I ain't got no drawers with it because Lee lost it. Now I'm gonna see if I can get something else or if I can find material to get a thong made, because I very unprepared. Today is Tuesday and Republic Beach is Saturday, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but let's just go on the road and see what we can get. You feel me? Yeah, this is the fit. My bed is always a mess. Jesus, we can't learn for the new year. It is Republic Beach Day. Make sure where I put my eye, because I have a tendency to come on here with matter in my eye or something, and we can't bother for a class. So today is Republic Beach Day. It's December the 17th. I don't remember if I was telling you guys that one of the slippers that I have, it kind of mark up because the thing that I keep my shoes in, it's a hanging shoe rack that I keep in my closet. That's where I keep all my shoes, and the slippers, the straps are leather, so there was some color transfer from the material of my shoe rack to the thing. And I'm gonna try vinegar, I'm gonna try baking soda. I haven't tried alcohol because I don't want it to like strip or anything. So I messaged the page where I got the sandals from, and I asked them, how am I gonna clean this? How do I get the stain out of the slippers? So they said I should take a cotton ball or cotton round and use some acetone. So I am gonna see if that works. Let's go to the bathroom. How do I know? How do I know? So these are the sandals, right? This is the problem, right? So we're gonna try this, see if it works. God no, I still feel the residue from the vinegar and baking powder. Oh my God. Let this work, cause is it working? Okay, so it's gonna work because I see the yellow coming off. But honestly, more rather that than it looks so I'm gonna keep scrubbing until this comes off. I don't think all of the yellow will come off. No man, this color transfer is really deep. And why is only the yellow coming off? That makes zero sense. Like it seems to be coming off, but I don't want to take off all the color. I don't know what it's gonna look like if all this color comes off. I will show you guys what it looks like after. Well, I'm gonna give up. Maybe it looks like that because it's kind of wet from the acetone and it's actually not better. So really, I feel like I'm just gonna buy one next one, but I'm gonna wear it. I'm still gonna wear it, and I'm also going to bring my yellow Crocs as backup, you know. But yeah, I feel like I'm just gonna have to get it replaced because it's just foolishness. I can't do this anymore. It's draining me. I have exhausted all my options. So yeah, I am going to, there's really not much I need to do. The wig that I'm wearing is glueless, thank God. But I am going to do a little bit of glue because my feet like I'm gonna get wild and it might all over the place. And I really prefer that. I think all I really need to do is shave my legs. And even that, I'm kind of not feel like doing it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And my arm. Yeah, all I really need to do is do my makeup. Thank God my lashes are done, although this eye is holding on for dear life. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Good morning, sunshine. Morning. Breakfast from Brood. So as I said, it's Republic Beach Day, and oh, wow, syrup. Love that. It's for me.
got some waffles.
Bone apple teeth.
Shelby got pancakes.
Pancakes. You know, I normally get waffles, but I was feeling pancake-ish this morning. Anyways, we're gonna eat this and then we'll talk back to them because me hungry bad. Why, people? We're late and we're late bad. I told the young man that we would be ready by 12:30 and it is now 12:11. We're just done shaving legs. I was gonna bring you in the bathroom to show you guys that we had a nice little, you know, bonding shave sesh, but not the time. Like the makeup need to do like no. Jesus, one makeup kit. Oh my god, where is it? Oh. I'm wearing yellow, so I'm wondering if I should. I wonder if I should do like a yellow. No, that's doing entirely way too much. So I'm actually going to try and do my makeup how I did it for graduation because I really liked that makeup look. Oh, and yeah, I do my makeup before I shower. So if you know, wonder like, you know, be idiot, you look dusty. Yeah. Am I weird for brushing my teeth after I do my makeup? I don't know why I do it. I don't know. I don't really know why I'm doing it. I don't even have setting spray. This is finished, so I don't even know what I'm going to use on my face. Oh boy, I feel very jittery. Feel very jittery. I can't even find my eyebrow. My brow. Alright, so I need to hurry up and do my eyebrows real quick, real fast. I want to finish this in 15 minutes, so.
Feel like I got no rest. Feel like I need it. Rest. Feelings the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feelings the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation, so sweet you could taste it. 8 in the morning, moonlight you're beyond.
The outfit here, I'm zooming out. The top, the bottom, fling on the wig now. Perfect. Sunka. Come girl, show you my outfit. Whoa! Cute stuff! Whoa! Oh my god! Wow! This is all I'm wearing as jewelry. I don't know where the joggings go. And y'all already know the dossier is a must. I am using Oriental Oak Moss, which is the dupe for Creed Her, or Creed Aventus Her. Whichever one of the Creed them? Her. Right? Woman one. Yeah. Have to smell good. Spray for your ankle. Spray for your neck corner. Spray for your neck. Oh my god! Jesus, it up on me. I want to shave my legs. I'm like spray for my ankle. Okay. Anyways, guys, if you don't want some dossier, make sure to go on their website. Link in my. I'll talk to you about this later. Goodbye.
Dossier is a perfume brand that specializes in recreating popular fragrances such as Tom Ford, Chanel, YSL, etc. that are accessible to everyone. I think you all know by now that me and Dossier go together real bad. And ordering is easy. Just go on dossier.co, type in the name of a scent you want to try and the replica will show up. The one I showed earlier is the dupe for Creed's Aventus Her. 10 out of 10. You smell expensive. Though this one is $59, you have scents as low as $29. While checking out, don't forget to use my code AndImShelby10. This is what the packaging looks like in real life. The bottle is super sleek, super cute. What are you waiting for? Shop now. Thanks again to Dossier for always coming through and for sponsoring this portion of the video.
3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious.
Woo! Want some rum? You want the rum? Damn, my daddy. I forgot that shit right now.
That's all.
The this year.
This is.
This super. Mighty God.
Color me there. So, it's my millions color me around there.
See there.
Almost where the color.
Yes, yes. Suppose I was ghetto. Well, suppose I was ghetto.
You are ghetto.
I'm not. Yeah. I'm just.
You're very ghetto actually.
I'm different. I'm different. Or still recording now? Wow. Like I said, y'all, that's yeah.
So
you put on like 50 different perfumes.
Me?
Yeah.
They must be smelling idea. Hello? Get Teddy.
Yeah, I cute.
Period. She's so cute. Oh my God. There's a picture I take now. No Barbies. None.
So we have the Barbie here. Yeah. Yeah. The Barbie.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, no one is around you. I love you if you ain't
Oh
running
my
game.
God.
Say my name,
V1. Turn around. Wow. Wow.
better say my name. The other day I will call.
Watch, hey, let's hold on, trust me, trust me.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright people, you know the vibes. One thing with the dollar them going to do something last minute. Focus. The dollars are going to burn the boy. Oh, great stuff. I'm afraid of that shoes I do. I feel like it's gonna pop on me. I feel like it's gonna pop. Sorry. Anyways, I'm reaching the vehicle. Step back to now. Yeah, okay. We outside, people.
Oh, we're not going here.
Anybody feel like I couldn't come out tonight? Look at me now.
Yeah.
Look who the is back.
Them boy don't got no Barbies. But let's start getting me up Shelby.
Oh, Shelby. Oh. Yes, I told her to try something new, guys. Sneakers and what is it? Dad jeans.
Dad jeans.
Dad jeans. They're not mom jeans or boyfriend jeans. Don't know if you ever sneakers could have run. Run by now. Angle.
I remember that was old.
Triangle.
It's not horrible. Yes,
Run.
You go out for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I never feel the guys out, oh. My mind as you talk, oh. I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble. You manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like a Baba Frayo, don't cry, yo. Yeah, I need to go and shadow.
That's so nice for the legend.
Are you ready for a burner, boy? Been ready, mighty God. I'm trying to leave. Oh gosh, man. Yo, we've been here for a hot ass minute. Wait like that. In here.
Words cannot describe how it feels to be on this stage right now in front of you, Jamaica. Easy well, because I don't know to shout. No joking around. Listen, make I tell you what this all about. I'm gonna tell you what's in what I ain't a go now. That is side boss, you say you be boss. Hey, hey, what I look da da. Look da da. Since you not begin, but the bada, but the gaga. Kilo shall
I was right one time.
Sometimes come make it closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Whoa, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm. If you send me the location, girl, I'll be right there. Send me I come check you my bill.
No time.
My dog's on probation. Another 5 years. Let's bring girls to which location. Jump. I was there when I made it to the top right. Everybody stand by! Let's go! If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. So make I come check you my bill. Your time, and my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. Let's bring girls to his location. Jump! Think I was down when I made it to the top. And I go look up a brand on my pocket right now. Wind up your body, you know that me love you, man. Jump! Can I be denied? Toward the end. Forgive them if they don't know it. You understand? Let's go. Everybody say